Hello you guys and welcome back to the channel. My name is Sello. Please don't forget to subscribe, to comment, to like, and of course do make sure that you do share this video, guys. Queen Nadia TV is currently trending on Facebook and all over social media, including TikTok, Twitter, and of course here on YouTube. You guys, the reason why she's trending is because she has done something that many um afraid to do, especially on a platform like Facebook. You guys, Queen Nadia TV started a Facebook page about 2 weeks ago, and just recently she started uploading, flashy content whereby she just um shows people her bunani, like she just flash it once on camera and then looks away, you guys, and her views are absolutely insane. And she has managed in the past week or 2 weeks that she started doing this, she has managed to grow her Facebook page and reach over 3 million followers on Facebook, of course, making her one of the biggest content creators from Africa, you guys. And her views have reached, the last time I checked, her views have reached about 2 billion views, you guys. And her revenue, it is estimated on one of her most viewed videos, she made over $1,000, you guys. Now, however, people have basically, we're wondering, why is Facebook not deleting this lady's page or content, as of course it um goes against the Facebook policies, you guys, because we do know that Facebook is a very family orientated app, and things like that usually not done there. As a matter of fact, nudity is not, approved on Facebook, and this lady is doing the most there on Facebook, you guys. People have actually, reported her account to Facebook, saying that she should be removed from Facebook at the entire Zimbabwe community, because this lady is from Zimbabwe. I've seen a petition whereby people wanted her to be removed of social media, while others were saying that this is her source of income and definitely she is making a lot of money. However, I have seen that there is a lot of African girls who have, kind of used her strategy to make money on social media, on Facebook particularly. I have seen like 2 or 3 already girls doing exactly what this Queen Nadia girl is doing there on Facebook. People were saying that we do know that Facebook is, for everybody, for kids, but what kind of content are they allowing of this lady to be put out there? People were saying that had she been a white lady living in one of those European countries and her account reported, they probably would have taken it seriously because of the color of her skin. They were saying that just because she is from Africa, that Mark Zuckerberg is probably exploiting that, you guys. Now, however, there's been people who are saying that, what do you guys mean you want her Facebook page taken down? This is her only source of income, and it's not like she has killed anybody. She's only out there trying to make money for herself and her family. You guys, what do you think about Queen Nadia? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Also, make sure that, of course, you do like this video. Do make sure you do share it, subscribe, so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Thank you so much for clicking and deciding on watching this one. We'll definitely and surely be seeing you in the next video. Bye.